Welcome to Landfill Compaction by Tana. Landfill management has become increasingly a business-driven industry. Modern waste management companies see cost efficiency and maximum compaction as a key factor. Pushing power, crushing force, and peak hour capacity are essential in selecting the right machine for the task. Tana introduces you the widest range of landfill compactors on the market today. The G Series, ranging with 6 models from 26 to over 50 metric tons in operating weight. Today, waste is being transported longer distances than ever before. The waste transport companies demand for efficient landfill operations, sometimes even on a 24-hour, 7-day basis. Waste transports and their loads are constantly increasing in size, creating high peak loading. The constant incoming waste flow requires continuous compaction work. Organizing site operations has become a key element in minimizing the vehicle turnaround times. On the active face, the unloading area has to be well organized and compacted for uninterrupted vehicle traffic movement. The operative efficiency of a landfill site is dependent on the compactor's capacity to reduce the volume of waste. Pushing power, traction, weight, and number of passes over the waste are the key factors. The ease of the operation is another must. The operation of the compactor has to be easy and effortless. The compactor needs to be agile and easily maneuverable in tight spaces between refuse trucks and other traffic. Compactor capacity is dependent on the width of the compaction path and the average working speed of the machine during dozing, crushing, and compaction of waste. The full-width compaction drums of the Tana increase your capacity to the highest level. Load breaking and spreading depends on compactor pushing power and the type of the dozer blade. The dozer blade should be wide and straight with forward wings on the ends, enabling improved control over the dozing. The pushing power should be available within the maximum engine power range at all times, ensured by a load-sensing hydrostatic drive. Compacted, smooth surface enables waste transport vehicles to move on the unloading area with less effort, minimizing turnaround times and reducing vehicle chassis damage. The Tana compactor has been built around a rigid articulating frame, giving up to 100% more crushing force on a single drum compared to the wheel of an oscillating frame 4-wheel compactor of similar weight. Even cars, although rarely crushed with a compactor, provide very little resistance to the maximum crushing force of a Tana. The Tana design aims at powerful crushing and compaction, made at the same time by the long, heavy teeth. The rigid frame eliminates abrupt machine swaying, allowing a very stable operation even on steep slopes. On the first pass, the Tana spreads the new waste layer on top of the previously compacted surface. The second pass concentrates on the crushing and thorough compaction of the material. This is very efficient on industrial and commercial waste. On the third pass, the pyramid-shaped teeth tie down the surface of the compaction path. This leaves a well-compacted and smooth finish unbeatable by the competition. The G Series landfill compactor is available at your nearest Tana dealer. Choose the one to best suit your operation and capacity requirements.